17, wild and free, and brown hair flowing in the wind, speeding down that two-lane street. Most beautiful thing I'd ever seen. And when I finally got your name, I couldn't hide my stupid smile. A Friday night after the game, you blew, I stole my heart away. Yeah. They said we were too young to know that we need to see the world. The world's not bigger than my dream, that you'd come and make your home with me. And I'm feeling like every single part of me is beating. My chest, my bones, my mind. Now I'm dreaming I breathe, that you come and make your own with me, that you come and make your own with me. Yeah. Oh, and I'm feeling like every single part of me, my chest, my bones, my mind. Now I'm dreaming with every breath I breathe, that you come and make your own with me. Ooh. Now you made your home with me.